Ever wonder how top investors spot the next big thing before the rest of the market catches on? The secret lies in having access to the right data and fast. In this video, I'll show you how CUFinder's Enrich company with latest fundraising data service helps you find high-growth startups and promising businesses by giving you up-to-date funding details in just a few clicks. For venture capitalists, sales team, and business strategists, identifying companies with fresh capital is crucial. But finding accurate and up-to-date fundraising data can be time-consuming and scattered across different sources. Without this data, you risk missing out on key partnerships and investment opportunities. CUFinder solves this problem by providing instant access to the latest fundraising information. Just input a company name, domain, or LinkedIn URL and you'll get last funding round type, currency code for the raised amount, total money raised, and investor URLs from the last funding round. This data helps you quickly identify high-potential companies, target them at the right time, and make smarter business decisions. Businesses using this service have increased their outreach success rate, cut research time by 80%, and identify more high-value leads and investment opportunities. Now I'll show you how to enrich your company data with the latest fundraising information. First, make sure your list is compatible with CUFinder's Dashboard. Use an Excel or CSV format with column names in the first row and up to 10,000 rows of data. Once your list is ready, click on Create your first list or New list if you've already created others. Choose the list type. Select companies if your list contains company names, domains, or LinkedIn URLs. Name your list and upload your Excel or CSV file by dragging and dropping or selecting from your computer. On the next page, review the data CUFinder has read from your file. You can edit by deleting any incorrect or unnecessary rows. Click on Enrich and select the Enrich company with latest fundraising data option. And here you'll see the valid input and output fields and choose the specific columns you want enriched. For this service, 4 credits are used per row. If we can't find data, you won't lose any credits. Click on Run Action and watch as CUFinder gets to work immediately. Once the process is complete, all fundraising data will appear right next to the company names. Finally, download your updated Excel file by clicking the Download button at the top right of the dashboard. We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, our sales and support teams are always here to assist. Thank you for using CUFinder and happy hunting for your next big opportunity.